guys, welcome back. Hey, I just wanted to throw together a quick video today. Super excited. I got my GoPro package in, and actually I got it a couple days sooner than what I was expecting. So the kit that we're talking about today is the GoPro Creator Kit, I believe is what they call it. It comes with the Volta external battery grip tripod. So that's this guy right here. And the Hero 10 Black, which I assume is in this case here. And then also the flash memory 32 gigabyte extreme. I think it's just the memory chip. So the memory chip's in the envelope here. So I gotta put that guy in. And then the media bod for the, it says Hero 9 Black. I'm assuming it fits the 10 as well. I guess we'll be finding out. So I just got the kit, so we'll see if it all works together. But that's this guy over here. And then the light mod, so which is this guy over here. So let's go through a quick unboxing, see what we get. Okay, so the first item we're going to open up is the Hero 10 itself. So, I get an idea of the packaging that comes with it. This is my first GoPro that I've owned. So let's see what the inside. Let's get it open, I guess, from here. Is that the best way to get in? As you can see, it comes with a nice case. There you go. This is my first GoPro. Wow, looky there. And some cables. A battery. Let's see, mounting equipment. More mounting equipment. And then the GoPro itself. Let's see this guy here. Oh, this thing's got some weight to it. Take off the a little bit of wrapping here. So there you go. It's got the couple things. You know, it's got the screen protection on there right now, and the back as well. So I look forward to firing this thing up. It's my first GoPro. Right on. Okay, so the next part of the kit we're going to open is the Volta battery grip. Get a good view of that. Not a whole lot to the box itself. Just a couple bits of information. So let's open this guy up and see what we get. Sorry, I'm not very eloquent when it comes to opening boxes. I'm more of a tear it open kind of guy. Alright. So we get some documentation. Something about the swivel. Maybe the most challenging part is just getting this thing out of the box. There we go. It's a connector. There. I guess the hand strap. There we go. Sorry, I pulled it out of frame there. So this is the Volta grip. It's also a battery. This feels really nice in the hand. Just right out the gate. So you get the modes here, some options here. I'll do a review on the system later. I just wanted to show that unboxing. So I'm really excited about this component. It's also a tripod. You can open this up, set the camera up. So right on. That's the Volta battery grip. Okay, so the next part is the light mod. So this is just the a light source. It looks like it attaches to the top of the GoPro. So you can see there's some options there. You can just run the light on the Volta grip, or a couple different ways you can mount the light there. You can see in the box. Another shot of the graphic. Let's crack this guy open. Once again, I'm just kind of a tear it open kind of guy. Oh, look, this thing is documentation. Oh, look, we have a filter, more of a white light. And there he is. Look at this guy. It'll be interesting to see how bright that actually is once I get it installed. Okay, so that's the light add-on, or the light mod. Okay, we got one more. Okay, so the last part of the creator kit is the media mod, which I think it adds a directional microphone to the GoPro. So like I said, it's my first GoPro. I just picked up this kit from the GoPro website. Got it earlier than what I expected, so I'm really pretty pleased with that. So yeah, let's see. Let's get this guy open. So again, the old just tear from the left-hand corner. Documentation inside the box for this guy. Oh wow, look at that. We got some mounting hardware for the GoPro. And there is the case. There's the windsock. Okay, so that's kind of neat. So as you can see, you just put your GoPro inside here, and then you have access to your power button there. This is your, I think, shotgun microphone, directional microphone. And then this guy, your windsock, apparently just goes over the top of it. Just like that. Look at there. I didn't even read the instructions. Halfway there. Cool. So I'll figure out how to put some of this stuff together. Let's check it out. Hey guys, this one's already gone kind of long, so I'm going to cut it short here at the end of the unboxing. I've got the footage for the assembly, and if there's enough interest, I'll go ahead and post that one up too. But so yeah, this is my first GoPro 10 and my first GoPro in general, and I'm really excited to get my hands on it. I've got it put together, and once I get it charging, I'll be using this to shoot footage. I'll be using it for hiking, motorcycling, pretty much anything that we've got in store for this summer. So hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.